was cool. It's still running, so I heard the header.
Flood warning in effect from this morning to late Friday morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Hocking River at Enterprise. When? From this morning to late Friday morning. Impacts at 14 feet.
This is the same flood warning.
The park in Logan and onto low-lying roads near Hagenville Road at some locations along the river. Also, water will be across State Route 93 just south of Logan. Lowland flooding also occurs in Rockbridge. Additional details, at 10 a.m. Thursday the stage was 11.4 feet. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 14.5 feet this evening.
It will then fall below flood stage early Friday morning. Flood stage is 12 feet.
Here is the near